How to change lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your iPhone, okay, in your lock screen, to change this lock screen wallpaper, you'll have to do is press and hold on the screen. And now you can see the option of wallpaper. So you can slide to the left or right for more wallpaper available. Or you can choose from this add new button. You can tap this and you can choose from features, suggested photos, photo shuffle, weather and astronomy, emoji, collections, or in color. So for my example, I select into collections. So you can slide to the left for more options. So for my example, I add this wallpaper. And after you set, tap the add button on the upper right side on your screen. And you can see the pop-up below. So you can set as wallpaper pair or you can customize your home screen. So I decided to set as a wallpaper pair, both home screen and lock screen. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper in your iPhone X.